What's up, food lovers? Welcome to the show. I'm Tony Tuton. This is Presley.
Hi.
Say hi. This is Harper. Then Jackson. Say hi, Jackson.
Hi.
What are we doing today? We're cooking Mom's dinner. We're making prime rib for Mom, her favorite. So here we have butter. We have garlic. We have rosemary. And what? We got this prime rib, 5-pound prime rib. We got on sale at Tom Thumb. So, if you're ready, let's get to cooking. Let's go! So, here we go. Here we got garlic. Presley, you want to put it in the garlic?
Yeah.
Put the garlic in the food processor, the blender. What do you call this? A chopper.
I don't know.
Okay. And then we put the rosemary.
Can I put the rosemary?
Yeah, put the rosemary in.
Just do this.
I think you gotta pick the stem.
Daddy.
Hold on, baby. Put the rosemary in first. Rosemary in. Harper wanna help. Throw it in. So we're gonna chop all this up, and then we'll put spread it on the prime rib, and then. Oh, look at Presley. Harper's eating it. How is it?
Ew.
It's good.
It's freshly baked. It's clean.
Oh, you gotta watch out. There's grass in here. Okay, that's good. Okay, put it in, Jackson.
Daddy.
Put it on the side. Okay, now put the butter in.
Butter.
Okay, butter.
Get the butter.
The butter. Put the butter in.
Butter.
Okay.
Butter wings. Get my butter. That is stuck. It's stuck.
Put it here like that. Harper, no more Harper. Here, put a lot of butter in there. Harper, put it in. Uh-oh. Oh, here, you want to help? Here. Put a lot of butter in like this.
So it can fall?
So it could blend up nicely.
And it'll
Melt
taste
the
more
butter.
good. Is it like pie?
What's that?
It's
Ew! Harper, eat
That
it.
is beef. It's a beef.
Yeah, it's beef, yes. Here, Harper.
Cow.
Yep.
Chicken cow.
So, okay, now we got the butter in. Jackson, can you tell me what the numbers on the oven? Tell the audience. Yeah.
50.
500. We put the oven at 500 degrees. Okay? So, Presley putting on her shirt. That, now we close it up.
And blend it.
Okay, throw it.
Then do we blend it?
Yep, and then we blend it. Let me get some napkins.
So you can wash. My hands are clean already. I've been careful, right, Dad? My hands are dirty. Chicken wings. Why is there grass in there?
Oh, now blend it up. Get the blender right here.
Dad, time to do it. Time to do it, Daddy. It's too loud. But
Blender.
It's only loud, so
Chop it up.
put it low. Like that.
Oh, now we gotta get the spoon. Can I borrow that spoon?
Put it low.
And we
Put
spread
your
it down.
volume low if it's too high, if it hurts your ears.
Yeah.
How do it, Daddy?
Okay, push it. Push it. Good job. Push it down. One button. Like that. Okay, do it. Good job. Push it down. Push it down. Keep doing. Yeah. Keep going. Harper, is it good? Okay.
Now, when your results are done, it'll look like that.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Good job, Jackson. Now you tell the audience. When you finish blending it up, It should look like this, huh?
Yeah. Dad, do you think I will
So
make a
good.
good YouTuber, Dad?
Oh yeah, you will be one day. You'll be an awesome YouTuber.
Dad, taste it.
No, you don't stick your finger. That's butter. Butter. Okay, now cookie. We're cooking right now.
I'm cooking.
Okay, now we deal with the meat.
Meat.
Okay,
Yeah.
hold on.
Open it with some scissors.
Let Daddy open it.
Oh, with a knife.
You gotta be very careful too. Here, you get the spoon. Spoon. Okay.
Pipe it.
Let's get.
We're gonna chop it.
We put it on the board. Okay. Everybody's hands clean.
Yeah. I hope this isn't this dangerous. Kind of that. That is kind of dangerous.
No, it's not dangerous at all.
What are you doing?
Okay, look at this beautiful prime rib. All right, Presley, hold on. Okay, we gotta wipe it down.
Up and down. Wipe it down.
Wipe it down.
Wipe it
Real
down.
good. Hold on, don't touch.
I'm tasting.
Okay. Ew, don't eat it. Don't lick it. Oh, Lord.
Dad. Kids out there watching this video, do not do that.
Harper, don't touch that. Where's my magnet? Over here. Okay.
And now it's done. No.
Oh, don't do that. Okay, not anymore. So I gotta poke this. This is what I do. I poke. Let me see if I can video.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Poke these like this.
Okay. Yeah, that's
So now with the garlic, you see that? I like to stuff the garlic in there.
frozen garlic.
Yeah. Put it in the hole. Harper's eating it.
And put
Whether
it.
she like it or not. She eat the whole garlic. Is it good, Harper? Yeah. Stick it in there.
Harper likes to eat everything. Right, Dad?
Yeah.
That's a fun fact.
Stick it in there, Presley. Put it in the hole.
I do it. Oh, it's so cold. What is it? We're putting garlic in it so we can get a good texture.
Yeah. Okay, now we'll do the other side. Hold on. You gotta put the knife on there. Okay. Now put it in. Put it in the hole. It's a little hard, huh?
Daddy, see? Dad can do it.
Okay, let's do the other side. This side.
When you do the sides, there will be garlic all over.
Harper, why are you putting the thing in there?
Ew.
Harper.
Ew. This is flat. I cannot do it.
You can. Just try harder. Okay.
Is that good?
That should be good.
Yeah. Okay, how to do it. Dad, and our test results are us, Dad,
Mm-hmm.
to see how it tastes. My one.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Now, we take this Jackson, you want to come over here? You want to spread the garlic butter on top?
Yeah, butter.
Right here, like that.
I want butter too.
Like this, like that.
Butter it.
Butter it up.
And there's some garlic on
Yeah,
it.
put it on here. And butter it up.
Butter up. Yeah.
Spread it all over.
Yeah, spread it all over the meat so you can get a good flavor. Fight! No, don't eat it.
Hey, Hopper, no, don't touch that.
Yep.
Okay, now it's
Do not eat it.
like that.
Butter. Yeah. Wow.
Spread it on.
Mommy, you just want some fries.
It's Mommy's Mother's Day.
If you're bad at cooking, just keep trying
Yep.
until you're good. I'm handed. Nice
Do
butter.
this side, Jackson.
Do this side?
Yeah.
Since I'm on this side?
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Okay.
Just feel
I'm turn it
all
over. Oh, now do this side. The last side.
Yeah, with a lot of butter.
You want to do it
This
too
butter's
hard
a whole
first?
new level.
Yeah.
This is level like big level. When you're done,
Uh-oh.
this is
Okay,
why
almost
baby
finished.
should be right next to food.
Yeah, baby shouldn't be doing this.
Help me. Yeah.
Okay,
She don't lick it.
don't lick it.
Don't lick it. Please don't lick it.
Okay, now we got all the butter spread out.
Nope, not yet.
Now we put seasoning on it.
Ooh, some seasoning. Some seasoning.
Okay, here we got
It's
Montreal steak seasoning.
since that's
Okay,
beef,
here.
it's like kind of like steak.
Sprinkle.
Sprinkle.
Sprinkle. Yeah, all over the place.
My turn. Your turn. Okay.
Yep. Okay, let me do it. I'm trying.
Don't do it.
Oh, not yet. Hold on. Okay, hold on. Now I'm gonna do that. Now dip. Hold on, Presley. You gotta wait the other side.
First, after that's my turn, Dad.
Yeah.
The sprinkles.
Okay, sprinkle it. Sprinkle it.
My turn. Go to my turn.
It's High's turn. You can do it next, Presley. Come here.
Sprinkles.
Sprinkle.
Next time it's Presley's. Press it here.
Presley, your turn, Pam.
Your turn, Press. That's Daddy's turn. Then it's my turn. I'm the last one.
Okay. Oh my goodness. Dun, dun, dun.
Right there.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, you know in videos are like in the screen, there's no screen like done, right, Dad?
Yeah.
That's what we're gonna do, right, Dad? Whenever we do a video, okay, Dad?
Okay.
Whenever something bad happens.
Okay, High's turn.
My turn. Yeah, my turn.
Okay. Okay, Harper turn. Give Harper here. Harper, come on. Sprinkle. Oh, Lord. Sprinkle. Harper, go do it.
When she's done, I do the thing. Right,
Okay.
Dad?
Yep. Okay.
We
done.
Hammer,
Now you stand up.
My turn. Hammer, hammer.
Okay, that's it. Now we put it on the tray.
Yeah. After we're done doing this.
Look, we gotta put the tray on
And wait it. And wait.
like that.
And wait. Yeah, then
Yep.
we put it in the oven.
Yep, and then we put it in the oven.
And wait, Daddy.
Yep, and then we wait.
Then it's feeding time. And we'll do
Okay.
the drying the doors. Yeah.
Look at that. Look at the kid make for you, mommy. Okay.
Oh my. Let's clean up.
Yeah, we gotta clean up.
Clean up. Let's clean up. Few minutes later. Dun 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 dun. What the results are.
Here we go. This is what the final product is. Jackson, you excited?
Yep.
Presley, you helped. Harper, look at Harper. She's eating already. So here we go, guys.
This is what it's done. Let's cut it.
They have a weird.
Cut them. Steak?
So how you like it, Jackson? Like the prime rib?
Yep.
Presley, how you like it?
Good.
Good? Mmm, yummy?
No,
No.
no.
This is how it turned out right here. So good.
Yep.
Mama, no, she's camera shy. Okay, guys.